Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 16, 16th of December, and freebie number 16. Hope you guys enjoying December and you are also posing from the stress and the madness of Christmas to honestly pose and relax and enjoy this festive season. So I am bringing, if you guys watching this series, I am bringing every single day from the 1st of December to the 24th of December, and there will be a very special freebie on day number 25 on Christmas Day. I'm gifting you a freebie, so a free printable that's been designed from 24 of my very popular best-selling digital papers that I have created. So everything that you see, you can purchase on my website. So this is the freebie from today, which I'll show you in just a moment. And this page has been designed from my very popular digital papers. It's called The Sweet Garden. Why Sweet Garden? Because these colors remind me of a very vintage garden full of fruits and of course flowers and some birds. I love these colors. Love this page. And there's a lots of blues and pink merged together and some flowers and of course lots of birds. So this is that. So this is a gift box that when you do it up looks like this. So it's a milk carton gift box. So that's your 4 sizes. So that's your 4 squares. Those 2 triangles here, you will fold them inwards. And of course this rectangle on top will be the topper. You can either glue it, but I like to put a little oopsie daisy, a little mini peg, because I want the person that received the gift in this milk to use the gift box for another occasion. And then of course those 2 are the bases. Okay, then you've got another page which is another fabulous background. Love. A gorgeous selection of tags. I get full of floral, because imagine you are in the garden and you experience all this wildlife, some birds, some parts. Oh, love. Fabulous. Then another background, which is this one here with the birds and some butterflies. And then this page here, which is my favorite page, when I played with some ephemera, put the birds and the flowers. So I've used this page here to create your freebie. So this is your freebie. So on your freebie you get this page, and I put some girly embellishments. So you've got macaroons, vintage bottle perfumes, and a fabulous hill with some flowers. Let me show you where to download my freebie. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, now that you saw my Facebook group, so all the links are listed down below, so we'll take you straight on my Facebook group. And also if you wish to check it out, let's finish the video with a positive note. This is my 365 days of calm. It's a book full of quotes, affirmation and activities to bring calmness every day. And today is number 42, which says, we ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? Ask yourself a question and always believe in yourself. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Guys, do you need some more ideas and inspiration? If the answer is yes, I put 2 videos on the screen when we played with washi tapes. 2 different separate tutorials, lots of ideas, and keep watching. And until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye!